2024 is here. Happy New Year. We're starting this year off with an easy to make and delicious baked carrot cake protein oatmeal recipe. So let's jump right into it. Start this one with a large mixing bowl. Add into it 10 ounces of milk or an unsweetened milk substitute, 2 large whole eggs, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 2.5 scoops of a complementing flavored protein powder, I went vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Pro tip, you can easily lower the sugar in the recipe by using a sugar-free syrup. I'll include the nutritional information for both ways, along with more substitutes on the proteinchef.co. Always linked above here and in the description. Mix those ingredients together until your clumps are gone and the mix is mostly smooth. Continue by adding in 1.5 cups of rolled oats and 6 ounces of some shredded carrots. Mix those in. From here, take out at least a 1-quart baking dish and pour your mix into it. Top it with whatever you want. I like using some raisins and crushed up pecans for the texture. Last, put it into the oven and let that cook on 375 for around 40 minutes. Your cooking time may change depending on how big or small your baking dish is, so keep an eye on it. In the end, it'll look like this. So the 2024 Transformation Challenge is coming. I'll have a separate video on this. In this video, I'm going to ask you all your health and fitness goals for this year. Is it weight loss? Does this look like a little weight to you? To be more consistent, to cut out sugar, to not chop your pinky off? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to use a couple of these for the challenge. With that said, I hope you all have a great start to your 2024. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.